Hey guys, Thatnub here, and some of you were jealous about how big the camping section in my Walmart was, so I have made this little video for you so you can see just everything that we have here. So we are in the cooking section here, pots and pans, and we have all the cookware you could want, popcorn makers, we have all the skewers you could want for you and your weenie roasts and whatnot. We have knives of all shapes and sizes, fire starters and hand warmers. Over here we have all of the bug repellents, first aid kits, that kind of stuff. Here we have all the necessities, toilet papers and rope and holders for all of your toothbrushes and whatnot, little portable toilets. Here's some water containers. Oh, hey, little outdoor shower room. That's cool. 42 bucks. I might have to find one of those at a garage sale. Here we have some food, all the Mountain House flavors. Storage containers for water. Here we have, let's see, little pocket kind of cook sets and canteens, walking sticks, carabiners, all the little things that you can carry on you. Here's some backpacks, little day packs that you can use when you go on your hikes. And there's some water bladders there. See over here, we have some folding chairs, stadium seats, portable hammocks, folding tables, all down to there. Up here, this is all chairs. Moving on. I have a couple of those folding tables, I think. Here we have some light lanterns and lantern hangers and flashlights, batteries, all kinds of different flavors. And this is about where we left off when you were all watching my last video. But I think I do need some of those mantles for the coal lanterns. All the connectors you need. Toaster. I just got one of those at a garage sale, I think for like $1. We have all the different types of fuels, stands, everything here you could want. Oh look, little coffee maker. Come over now, just more fuels. Here, this is all just kind of sleeping bags and pads, all different flavors that you could want. Here we have pumps for all of your air mattresses, battery operated, little patch kits. Here's some different air mattresses here, different sizes and shapes, more cots. And here we have more air mattresses all through there. Over here we have tent kind of repair kits and, ooh, that's kind of cool. LED hanging tent light. $9, not bad. There's the poles that I was talking about before. Here we have some tents. Small little, look how small these pack up to. But you never get that back into the box. Here we have some bigger tents, gazebos. I just picked up a gazebo kind of like this one here at a garage sale for $20. Let's see here. We have all kinds of different tarps. Oh, grommet kit. That'd be kind of cool. We have tarp repair tape. I could definitely use some of that. Bungee cords and connectors. Here's some bait for fishing. Flashlights galore. And batteries for them all. Headlamps. LED lights. Big halogen spotlights. Here's some rain suits in the bags. Some rainwear gear, hats, and shirts, stickers, iron-ons. Here's the sad part. Ammo shelf. So sad. And here we go too. So we have just 270, 30-06, 300, 7mm. Not much to choose from. Back to camping stuff. This, targets. All kinds of different targets. Clay trap shooters. More shooting stuff, holsters and whatnot, cleaning kits. Straps and whatnot. Targets. And then coming over here, we get into like BD guns and whatnot kind of stuff, so that's not really camping gear at all. This is all like water stuff for being out on the rafts or the boats. Here in some life vests. And on the other side here, that's a pretty cool little life vest. Camo. With all those little pockets, ammo pouches and whatnot. That's kind of cool. And then we have the fishing section. And this being the Pacific Northwest, this section is pretty long and also wraps around the other side. You can even see like kayaks and stuff there. So that is my local Walmart. Be jealous if you want. That's all I have for this video. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.